Hello friends, so today I want to share what I won and some happy mail from Annie Creates. Um well, it's a long story, but I started working and then I got sick from COVID in January and mid January, and it was like for like a month I felt bad, and then she got sick, and so I haven't recorded this, but I wanted to share um the winnings that I had gotten from her. So I wasn't one of the 3 winners, but she decided to give everybody a stamp to the people that had commented. So she made me a beautiful card here, and then the stamps came in here, and then these are the stamps that I'm going to use. I love the feather one, and then these circles. I'm going to use them since I started doing journals. I'm going to use them on that. And she was supposed to send me a swapping glue back, but she sent me some happy mail, and she said I didn't have to post it up, but I really wanted to. And OMG, Annie, I didn't expect all this, and I didn't take a peek. Only at my winnings I opened it right away. So this is a notebook, a happy planner, and I have never have gotten one of these. I would only use like a planner when I was in college, and then now I'm starting to, because my son goes to school, and to write appointments and all that. And I really love this one because it has all the ladies here. I think she had written something there of some other channels, and but I'm still gonna use it. And then these pretty purple ones here, that's good for spring stickers. I love stickers. And then this one too, I love this one because of the bike. And then these, and all of these that people have given me or won, I don't have, so I'm very happy. And then this one here, I think I do have this one though, but I'm collecting some different pineapple stuff for the summer. And then this cute one here with pancakes and fruit. And these pretty flowers here. All of those would be good like for a spring journal. And then she gave me some stickers, so when I make something I could put handmade with love. Thank you, Annie. I don't have anything that says that. And then these, so I will use those. And I'll have to take that out, so I'll show it in a bit. And that too. And then this one's a good one for the fall. It says harvest. I love the apple, so if I want to do something for my son's teacher. And then these are super nice. And I love the fox. So they match the few things that I do have for fall. So I love this. And let me open. So she sent me this beautiful card, which I love, with the rosette here and then the little hearts. And I love pastels, especially for the springtime. And with a sweet message there. And let me see, where's my swapping glue. Thank you so much, Annie. These she's an excellent card maker, and I struggled to make cards, and then she sent me these that I can just decorate it. They're already cut, so I just have to embellish it, because she challenged me to the 5-card challenge, and I was planning to do it, but I didn't know exactly like what theme, and then I had to film like a process one on the last one. So let's see if I have the courage to try to do it, even though it's like late. Oh, and she also included these envelopes to go with the cards, so I'm very happy for that. Thank you, Annie. And this should be my swapping glue. So this is what she sent me. I'm just gonna do a quick flip through, because I still have to show what Chica Tony sent me, because I opened her very beautiful Halloween happy mail, and she sent me swapping glue, and I haven't seen the images yet. And also I did my world. Wanda sent me the most recent one, so I have to catch up on those. I already used Elsa the Bargain Hunting Crafters images in a collage, but for the 3 other ladies I haven't. So these are beautiful images, and I have to I already got a swapping glue notebook, but I just have to have time to do some collaging. This is beautiful for like Valentine's theme. And I do have Home and Garden magazine that I've been getting, but I haven't had time to collage, because I've been trying to do some collabs and stuff. So I'm so happy, Annie, with your happy mail, and thank you so much. And you didn't have to send me all the goodies, just I was just expecting the swapping glue, and I can't wait to get to know you better, and I value our friendship. And everybody, thanks for watching, and take care, and until next time, bye.